Symptoms of a faulty fuel sending unit. The fuel sending unit is a significant component essential to your car's efficient operation. The fuel sending unit measures the fuel level in your vehicle's fuel tank and communicates that information to the fuel gauge on your dashboard. The driver needs this information to precisely gauge the gasoline level and make fueling arrangements. So, let's learn the most common symptoms of a faulty fuel sending unit. Inaccurate fuel gauge reading. An inaccurate fuel gauge reading is one of the main signs of a malfunctioning fuel sending unit. The gasoline indicator may vary or give inconsistent readings, displaying a full tank 1 second and plummeting to empty the next or vice versa without any discernible reason. This can make it difficult to precisely track your fuel levels and schedule refills. Stuck fuel gauge. Another typical symptom is a stuck fuel gauge, which remains at a specific reading despite the addition or consumption of fuel. For instance, the gauge might stay at the halfway point whether the tank is full or almost empty. This may make it difficult to determine how much petrol is still in the tank. Are you learning from the video so far? Great! You won't want to miss out on our future content, so subscribe now to stay updated. Let's keep it going. Fuel gauge reads empty, even when the tank is full. Even when the tank is full of fuel, a broken fuel sending device might cause the fuel gauge to display empty all the time. This can cause unneeded fuel anxiety and make it challenging to calculate how far you can go before refueling. Fuel gauge displays full despite tank being empty. On the other hand, a malfunctioning fuel sending unit might make the fuel gauge consistently display a full tank, even while the tank is actually empty or almost empty. Since the gauge falsely implies that there is enough fuel left, this can cause sudden stalling or running out of fuel. Fuel gauge fluctuation. Even if the fuel level is consistent, a damaged fuel sending unit might cause the fuel gauge to change drastically while you're driving. It can be confusing to see the needle bouncing up and down or moving randomly, which makes it difficult to gauge the real fuel level. Check engine light. In some circumstances, a malfunctioning fuel sending unit might cause the dashboard check engine light to come on. The check engine light could turn on if the engine control unit, ECU, notices abnormal fuel level measurements and interprets them as a possible fuel system problem. It is advised to have your fuel sending unit evaluated and replaced if necessary if you encounter any of these symptoms. Ignoring a malfunctioning fuel sending device might result in inaccurate readings of the fuel level, potential fuel-related problems, and general driving annoyance. Quick diagnosis and repair can assist preserve your vehicle's smooth operation and help ensure accurate fuel monitoring. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.